Yo, quick question for you. Do you like notifications, love notifications, or hate notifications? Are they an annoyance? Well, it just depends on the notification. And yo, HubSpot is with their magic wand doing something crazy. Anyway, you know what time it is. You know what time it is. It's HubSpot update time, brought to you by That's right, this Sprocket Talk update is brought to you by Impulse Creative, aka Sprocket Talk. And oh my gosh, today we are talking about lead revisit notifications. And you're like, but that's already been a thing. Not for contacts from offline sources. That's right, you heard me right. Contacts that originated from offline sources are now eligible for lead revisit notifications. This is crazy. You see, lead revisit notifications are sent to HubSpot users when a contact returns to a website they have previously visited, your website, that they previously visited after becoming a lead. Now, one side effect of that setup is that contacts with offline sources, which may have been created from some type of API or import, were historically ineligible for these notifications. But now, somehow, some way, I don't know, it's hashtag nerdy people, even these offline sources are eligible for this notification of revisit. This update will now be able to send lead revisit notifications to you for all contacts in your database, regardless of their original source. You can now keep better tabs on how your contacts are interacting with your site. For sales reps, this is absolutely amazing. For marketers, I'm sure we can use it in some way. We can tailor our marketing and sales according to these folks. How does it work? Well, it works in the same way that lead revisit notifications work now. And you might ask me, well, how does that work? I'll tell you here in a second, but who gets it? Professional and enterprise customers. It is in all languages. Look, if you're not getting lead revisit notifications, or now just revisit notifications on anybody, you need to check this out. You're going to go over to your HubSpot portal. You're going to go to the settings icon at the top right, and then you're going to click on account defaults. There's going to be a switch that you can turn on that is lead revisit notifications. And when you flip that switch on, you're going to have some things that you can choose. No leads, all leads, leads that you own. Of course, this depends on your whole, what you got set up as a user. Anyway, assigning contacts to a single contact can be done. There's all sorts of nerdy stuff. Make sure you're getting those revisit notifications so you can pay attention to those folks that you're trying to nurture and sell and market in a more human way. Anyway, do you like these updates? If you do, or our tutorials or interviews, make sure you go over to sprockettalk.com/FB. That'll take you right to our private Facebook group. Also, make sure you check out two of our favorite places on the internet. That is our Sprocket Talk Facebook page and our Sprocket Talk YouTube channel. As always, this is your boy George B. from Impulse Creative, aka Sprocket Talk, telling you, go out into the world and do that thing that is happy HubSpotting.